Hello everybody, I got 4 rims I want to clean in 4 different ways. The first one we will clean with lemon and salt. No, not that salt on these rims, but we're gonna try it. We have nothing to lose. Hello everybody, today we're gonna make our second video of the wheel cleaning. This time I used ketchup. Okay, let's do this. And we brush it again. Hello guys, in this third video of wheel cleaning we're gonna use soda, or other name for it bicarbonate, and vinegar to clean the rims. Let's try it. Hello guys, this is the last video of this wheel set. I will clean with soda and lemon juice. Okay, let's try this.